Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to verify your app within Google AdMob by using blogger.com. It's quite easy and simple to do. So let's get started. Step number 1, visit Google AdMob website. Once you visit it, click on the apps and click on add apps, and here select the platform for which you have created your app, and then if it's listed, then select yes, your app is listed on Play Store, okay, App Store. If no, then select no. Simple. In my case, my app is listed, so I click yes, continue, and then here you search for the app. Simply type your app name and click on search, and here you can see it's already added. It'll be something like this. For example, hi, I am searching for hi. You'll see this kind of list, and then just simply click on the ad, and then you click continue. If your app is listed on other marketplace or places also, you can check mark this blah blah blah, okay, and then continue, and then you can click on add app. So then your app will be added within your AdMob account. Once it's added, it will look like this. You will see this status, verify app. Now click on verify the app. Now we need to add this code within our website, so let's do that. There is one more critical step, so please do watch this carefully. It's not that simple, okay? Copy this code and then go to the Blogger website. Here you can create a blog. You can create any blog, okay? So for example, developer test. Next, and choose the address, a URL for your blog. So developer 123 test. It's checking if this URL is available or not. It's available, so I'll just simply click on save, and here we go. We do have a new blog. You can add some posts and some content within your blog, okay? There's no need to do a lot of fancy stuff. You can just type any content, and you can pick any normal theme from theme, okay? Now click on the settings. Inside the setting, scroll down, and here you can see there'll be some option called custom ad. It's not here. Where it is? Look for it. Okay, monetization. Here you can see enable custom ads.txt. Enable this. Now click on the custom ads.txt, and here you need to paste that code which was given here, okay? Now, and this code is unique. It's unique for every app, so don't just copy my code, okay? So yeah, so just copy this, paste here, and then just click on the save. So now it's saved. Now just so you do know, like, we have to now visit our blog. We need the URL of our blog. So our URL was, I don't know what was the URL, okay? So go to the post and click on this preview, and from here you will be able to see the your blog link, okay. It was like developer 123 test.blogspot.com, I think, yeah. Let me try, let's test this. Yeah, this was the URL. Now copy this. This is the critical step. Then open a new tab and search for the Google Play Console. If your app is already in Play Store, in that case, go to the Google Play Console and then select your app then go to the grow users. Inside the grow users, click on the store presence, store settings, and then here in scroll down and look for the store listing and contact details and click on the edit, and here simply type down the blog URL and save it and publish it. Now Google will automatically verify this after 24 hours or within 24 hours. Okay, and if one more thing, make sure your blog is like readable by search engines. So simply go into a setting and make sure it's visible to search engines, and few more settings I can suggest you, like enable search description, meta tags, and enable custom robot text, and you can also enable this, and you can also add your website into blog into Google Search Console. And one more thing what you can do, you can add robot text also, but that's not that much required. But yeah, that's all you need to verify it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.